Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I decided to film a makeup look. Trust me, it was not even planned, but I'm actually excited about what I came up with, or what I came up with here. And as you guys can tell by the title of this video, honestly I did not know what I was doing, but I decided to come up with like a burgundy kind of cut crease eye, as you guys can see, and also just try out some Superbalist products that I bought online on Superbalist. And yeah, so these are the 4 items that I bought on Superbalist, and I ordered them. You guys, by the way, for those of you that don't know, Superbalist actually sells makeup. Yeah, I only thought it was clothes and other stuff, so I was really shocked. I was shook when I heard that they sell makeup, and I was actually excited because then, you know, there's some things that you go to the shop and they're out of stock and then you don't find them, and then you constantly keep on going and then you still don't find them, and then you get tired and you're just like, you know what, it's fine, I'll buy something else, and it's not what you were looking for. But then when you buy stuff online, they're there, you know. And I was so happy. I ordered the stuff on this Tuesday, and it arrived on Thursday in the morning, like early in the morning, before I even woke up. They woke me up. They were like, your order is here, and I'm like I'm in my pajamas, so I had to quickly run downstairs. So anyways, these are the 4 products that I bought online. Their worth was actually 520 something, and I got it on a discount for like 332. Yeah, that was a huge save for me, because I was actually looking at the stuff in store and I was like, it's so expensive. So anyway, the first product is this Maybelline Masterfix powder. So I use this to set my contour. You guys know, especially I have oily skin, I don't know about you guys, and I crease a lot, so this really goes a long way, and it helps so that your makeup stays in place and I don't look like oily by the end of the day, and I don't want to keep on touching up my face because really it's a lot. And then I also got this Rimmel Insta, what is it, Insta Duo Contour Stick. I really love it. It's like a 2 kind of highlighting and contour kind of thing, so it really helps because it's 2 in 1. But then I noticed that when I use this for highlighting, it really doesn't work. I've never used sticks. I always use cream and liquid concealers. So this, I actually used it to highlight on my nose, and everything else it just looked weird. And then I also use this to contour my nose. And I also got this beautiful lipstick. It's a matte, it's in the shade 720 Mocha, also by Rimmel. I love it. When I saw the model that was wearing it, I was like, yes, that's my lipstick. But one thing I must tell you, especially with people who have my lip kind of shape, my lip shape, whatever, I don't know how to say it, but it's advisable to use a lip liner, otherwise you end up looking like you sick or something like that. I don't know. So yeah, I used a lip liner to make it work. And then I also got this beautiful Rimmel what do you call this, liquid eyeliner. Yeah, so you guys, I'm gonna be reviewing them. I'm gonna be using them for the first time, but I'm telling you that they were good because I just filmed a makeup look. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I talk too damn much, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video and give it a thumbs up, and comment down below if you loved it and would like me to create more looks like this. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and share it with everyone else that you can. Thank you. So I'm just gonna start by priming my lids by using the LA Pro Girl HD concealer, and just use a concealer brush to just blend that out. And the next thing I'm going to use is the MAC Studio Fix powder, and just set the concealer so that it does not crease. I'm now going to use my Burgundy Bar palette by Maybelline, and I'm going to go with the light pink color as a transition shade, well, the light purple color, and it helps to blend out really nicely.
Shawty gon' take me on jet skis. Shawty gon' drip on my drip drip. Shawty gon' focus on.
Then I'm going to use the dark purple color in the same palette and just add some depth to my eye look. I'm just going to go on the outer corners of my eye and not like totally on the inside. And I'm still going to be using the same blending brush to do this.
These niggas got no escape plan. My niggas came with a game plan. We up in the stool till the AMs. Putting in work till we made man. Bitch, I might play Bonacari. Moody's or fuck everybody. Pull up on Bombay and Henny Bacardi.
So I'm going to use my eyeshadow from Essence. It's in the shade 01, Black is Back, and I'm just going to still go on the outer corners of my eye, and this also helps to add some depth and definition to the eye makeup look.
Hot sauce with the gravy. I want the bands like Mercedes. Nigga, don't be acting shady, cause I've been pulling up on your matey, and I've been smoking up.
I'm now going to use my LA Girl Pro HD Concealer to just cut my crease. This just helps to get a perfect base to apply your shimmer shades and so that they can just stay in place. I'm also going to use a smaller brush just for definition.
I'll be mixing the syrup with Sprite. My girl gotta go, she a dyke. So just know the pussy's that tight.
Now I'm just going to go with the rose gold shade from my hashtag Glowgasm palette from SwiitchBeauty, and just go on the inner corners of my eye just where I cut my crease. And I'm going to use the flat side of the blending brush or the eyeshadow brush just so that I can get perfectly into my crease and let it stay there.
Yeah, I forgot that.
Whatever. The same palette, I'm just going to go with the lighter gold color and just go in the inner corners of my eye, and this just helps to give your eye look a really good pop and keep your eyes looking awake, if I can say that. And then I'm just going to go on my lower lashes with the other purple that I used on my outer corners, as well as the one that I used for my transition shade. And this just also helps to complete the makeup look. And now we're finally moving on to your liquid eyeliner, and I'm using the one from Rimmel. Now we're moving on to foundation, and I'm using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid foundation as well as my beautiful buffer brush from SwiitchBeauty, and it's an amazing brush. As you can see, it goes brown after applying Satin. And I'm just going to buff that in, and this just helps to give a really beautiful smooth finish with no lines and strokes. And I'm also going to use my other foundation from Maybelline. I think I've shown you guys in one of my previous videos, and this just helps to warm up my face because my face really changes color as seasons change, so I have more than one foundation. And I'm just going to blend that all out until it's perfectly even. Next, I'm going to use my Rimmel Insta Contour Duo Stick, which has your highlighting and contouring side, which is like a 2-in-1 product, which I really like, and I was testing it for the first time. I'm just going to go under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and my forehead, as well as my chin, and then I'm going to use a beauty blender to just blend it all out.
I take a walk on the moon.
Because the contour stick looked really weird under my eyes, I just went again and I used my LA Pro HD concealer from LA Girl, and I'm just gonna use a beauty blender to blend it all out. The contour stick wasn't really working well under my eyes, but it worked amazing on the bridge of my nose. Next, I'm going to set my contour and highlight, my highlight, and I'm going to use the Masterfix from Maybelline powder and just go all over the place where I went to highlight, which is under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose. Okay, I didn't go on the bridge of my nose, but under my eyes, my chin, as well as my forehead. And then I'm also going to contour on my chin as well as my cheeks, my cheekbones, as well as on my forehead, and I'm going to use a beauty blender to also blend it out.
What are we doing? Like, I know we're talking. What are we? I feel like I'm doing girlfriend, you know? Like, I need to be his girlfriend. Like, hello?
And then I'm going to use the contour stick to make my nose a little bit slimmer and to contour my nose, and then I'm going to use my fingers to blend it all out.
Whatever.
And I'm also going to use a brush just to make sure that it gets a proper skin finish while using my fingers as well. And then I'm just going to use a brush or a powder brush to tap away the excess of the setting powder. And then next I'm going to go with my mascara over my lashes, and then I'm going to put on my lashes off camera. And the lashes that I used is the ones from Clicks, and it's the natural lashes. And now I'm just gonna go for my lips. I'm gonna line my lips with the Essence lip liner. I'll leave the shade in the description box below, and I'm just gonna go with the liner on the outer corners of my lips and just on the outline of my lips, and then I'm just gonna fill it in with the marker shade from Rimmel. I'm also gonna leave it in the description box. You guys can order them from Superbalist online. And I just went over with Vaseline under the matte lipstick because it's very drying. Next we're going to go with the hashtag Glowgasm palette from SwiitchBeauty, and I'm just going to highlight using their shade. Well, they don't have shades written, but it's the butter shade, if I can call it that. And I'm going to use my fan brush from Cala and just go on the bridge of my nose to highlight using that shade from the same palette. And there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you loved this look. I forgot to use my setting spray, but you guys can use your setting spray from MAC or Essence or Maybelline or wherever, and just set your makeup and make sure that it lasts. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Yeah.